Take your time. Nice shot! Woo! Good job. Your first one with the shotgun. Great job. I got it on video, son.
It's a female. Oh, it is a male. A young male.
Man, he's big. He looked big on the road.
Breast on him.
Yeah.
Breast on him.
And he's young?
Way to go, grandson.
Adrenaline rush.
Yep, always. Good job. See, I'm glad we came out here today.
Got it?
If you want to, sure. Might as well.
Right there.
Cigarette money?
Yeah. So you need to use 2 thumbs because you need to kind of push in and rip apart.
Oh, 2 thumbs?
Yep, so find the breastbone and then you put your other thumb kind of above its butt. Like toward between the belly and the butt. Okay, here, hold this. Hold this. It's recording still. So, look. Man, he is a beautiful, thick, heavy bird. See the butt?
Yes.
You find the
Bone.
breastbone. It's right there, right close to the butt.
Yep.
And then you can just put your other thumb on top of the feathers. So your thumbs are like right there. Right there together. And then...
Sadie.
Man, he did not want to rip open, but I got it. Do you want to try fling the guts out?
Yeah.
So grab a hold
Of the wings and the neck.
under, you open up the wings. Yep, hold it right there. Yep, fling it. Sadie, come. Sadie, come here. Just fling it hard. Oh, fling it hard. Oh, there it went. Good job, you got it.